What is the latest entrant to the crypto scene, Elongate, all about? How does it operate with its deflationary tokenomics? Most importantly, is it still worth investing in? Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel, Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Elongate is the newest addition to the crypto market. Elongate's a meme crypto like Dogecoin. The cryptocurrency derives its name from Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. But it has no actual association with him whatsoever. The very concept of Elongate was conceived because of a tweet by Elon Musk. On March 25, 2021, the billionaire CEO tweeted in his official account, "If there's ever a scandal about me, please call it Elongate." Within 3 weeks, an Elongate website was set up. The community of its holders have grown exponentially since then, and today there are 472,470 Elongators. The Elongate tokens operate on the Binance Smart Chain. Holding onto the token is all it takes. It charges a 10% transaction fee for the benefit of the holders and to donate large amounts of money to charitable causes. Donating to charity is one of the core values of Elongate. That's why it charges quite a large fee of 10% for its transactions. Half of the fee is redistributed to the community of holders, proportional to the amount of tokens they hold. The fees collected are dispersed across the exchange they were collected on. The other half is transferred back as liquidity-provided tokens to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. Side note, PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain-based decentralized exchange, or DEX for swapping BEP20 tokens. The Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, is a blockchain network that runs in parallel to the Binance Chain. BSC has features like smart contract functionality and compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. The Binance Smart Chain offers the added benefit of facilitating transactions through Ethereum-based wallets, such as MetaMask. Another advantage is that the transaction fee is lower when compared to that of the Ethereum network. Elongate has not been directly listed in exchange platforms so far. To acquire these tokens, BNB tokens can be used as an exchange. On a weekly basis, 60% of the newly accumulated liquidity pool tokens will be removed from the liquidity pool, and a majority of this will be appropriated as proceeds to charities. Every Elongator passively earns 5% every time a transaction is carried out in the network. The other 5% goes to causes like providing food and housing for the poor, and most recently, an ocean cleanup project that took place on the 8th of June. This has raised Elongate to the status of the world's largest charity cryptocurrency. Elongate has raised an amount of $3,075,000 for charity till date. The fact that Elongate gives away money for larger causes like ending world hunger, battling poverty, and tackling pollution has encouraged people to invest in this crypto despite its large transaction fee. Elongate functions on the science of tokenomics, which simply put means token economics. This crypto uses a deflationary model of circulation. No new coins can be mined after hitting a limit. But if this crypto gets really popular, the values will potentially skyrocket, making it a very sought-after investment. Elongate uses the process of burning tokens, which simply means the extraction of tokens, to increase its value. The holders of this crypto only have to ensure that they hold on to their tokens. This system is set to encourage more investing and less selling. Selling these tokens would mean that their value would drop, and the crypto wouldn't be able to carry on with its charitable activities anymore. Sometimes these prices are seen to increase the crypto's floor prices. Of the liquidity pool tokens accumulated over a 1-week cycle, 60% will be removed from the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. Half of them are BNB tokens, and the rest are Elongate. The tokens will then be appropriated to their initiatives in transparent public wallets, which will be examined closely by the community. Investors of Elongate can be assured of the fact that the money collected from the transactions indeed goes to charity. Another core value of this establishment is transparency. The company states in their white paper how exactly they allocate the money they collect for donating. The extracted BNB tokens are used for this purpose. More than half of this amount, 58% to be exact, is allocated for donation. 15% of it is stored in the Elongate Stability Reserve, and another 15% is utilized for marketing. The remaining 12% is used for business development. The Elongate token. The tokens of this cryptocurrency are actually BEP20 tokens issued on the Binance Smart Chain. Upon launch, Elongate released a total of 1 quadrillion tokens, and it is a fixed supply. This is why Elongate has its peculiar tokenomics. Since it uses a deflationary model, it thrives on investors holding on to their tokens instead of selling it. Elongate's value. Before proceeding, do keep in mind that the prices of cryptocurrencies fluctuate constantly, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not count as investment advice, trading advice, or any other sort of financial advice, and you should not consider any of our content as such. The content in this video is for informational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own research, or consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. At the time of its inception on 9th April 2021, Elongate was at a price way below $0.0000025. On May 10th, it reached its all-time high value of $0.000000799,831. But the crypto crash on May 19th affected Elongate just as it affected all the other cryptos out there. The crypto crash occurred when the Chinese government imposed regulations upon cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Chinese financial institutions and payment companies were prohibited from providing any services related to cryptocurrency transactions. Elon Musk's tweet, which stated that Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment due to the huge energy expenditure involved in mining the cryptocurrency, led to a frenzy. Within 24 hours, the value of cryptocurrency giants crashed by up to 30%. What we can observe in the case of Elongate is a bearish trend. The last 2 days have shown a consistent fall in the value of the cryptocurrency. This consistent bearish trend is, to be honest, quite concerning. Elongate hit its lowest value ever on the 16th of this month, $0.00000093234. But we can see a glimmer of hope in its most recent development. In 24 hours, the value had gone up, and in the morning of 17th June, the price had risen to $0.0000001000475. Trading fluctuations brought about a dip, but towards the end of the day, the value had gone up by 2.92%. Further, the 24-hour trading volume was at almost $694,300. Considering its substantial fall in value on June 15th, which led to Elongate attaining its lowest value ever the next day, the trend on June 17th is a welcome development. Currently, Elongate's affiliate charities include the United Nations World Food Programme, Big Green Organization, Action Against Hunger, and Children International. And in all fairness, Elongate is doing a neat job in bridging the gap between real-world aspects of charity and its digital aspects. In fact, in its white paper, it stated that the establishment's biggest objective is to be the official partner of charitable organizations in the cryptocurrency space. If you believe in their cause, Elongate is worth investing in. And here we end today's video. What are your opinions on Elongate? Do you believe that it's worth investing in? Go ahead and let us know your thoughts down below in the comments section. If you liked the video, do give us a thumbs up. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and tap that bell icon to get notified about our latest video releases. Thank you all for watching.